Hello everyone, glad to have you here and welcome back to our channel. For today's DIY, I'll be making this glam tray, which is very simple to make. You can use it for your candles or your vase or anywhere around your home. If you're interested to see how I made it, just keep on watching. The items you will need are Bling Wraps, E600 glue, 4 napkin rings, gemstones, 2 door handles, foam boards, and 2 frame mirrors. I went ahead and removed the mirrors from the frame and traced them on my board. I then glued the 2 pieces of foam board together to make the tray a little thicker. Once the 2 pieces are glued together, I'll add more glue and place the mirror on top. Once the mirror is placed on top, then I add my bling wrap around the edges and secure it with hot glue. I then added the napkin rings on each corner of the back of the foam board. added the bling wrap to the top of my door handles. It came with a sticky residue, so I didn't have to glue it down. You can use any bling wrap you choose to put on the handles and glue it down to make sure it won't come off. Now I'm adding the gemstone with hot glue and placing the handles in the center of the side of the mirror. I used the E600 glue on the handles. It's a very strong glue and I just wanted to make sure that they wouldn't come off. I also allow the glue to dry overnight. Now I finished placing the gemstone around the edge of the mirror, and you can use any gemstone you like. If it's a different size or a different color, it doesn't really matter. As long as it's a gemstone, it will look beautiful. And here is the finished look of the tray. I also used some of my other DIY candles and vase just to complete the look. This completes this week's DIY. I hope you enjoyed this week's project. If so, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload our weekly video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you safe.